Ever heard of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan? He's the reason we're not starving. Let me tell you why. Back in the 1960s, the world was running out of food. But this guy, Dr. Swaminathan, had an idea. Make crops grow better with science. He gave us new kinds of wheat and rice and smart ways to farm. It was like a farming makeover. Thanks to him, places like India stopped worrying about not having enough to eat. Farmers were like, hey, we've got plenty. Dr. Swaminathan says it's not just about more food. It's about making sure everyone has enough, and doing it in a way that's good for the earth. People noticed his awesome work. He got big awards for making sure we have lots of food and happy farmers. So, next time you're chomping down on something tasty, give a little thanks to the dad of good crops, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan.